I lit my pizza oven and I'm going to treat myself to a homemade pizza. Mrs. B's bought me up a few ingredients, so I'm going to leave this for a couple of hours, get a bit of heat in there, and then have my first attempt at a pizza in there. See how she comes out. She's smoking. Got all my ingredients prepared, so I've got my pizza mix there, flour and a bit of yeast. And I'm going to add a bit of lukewarm water to that in a minute. I'm just letting it warm up a bit in the pizza oven. Then I'm going to add some Italian style seasoning to the base mix and a bit of powdered garlic. And then I've got some lovely toppings. So really looking forward to this one. So I'm just going to roll this out quite thin, try and get a 10-inch out of it, and then my favourite bit is adding the toppings. I can smell all the herbs and the garlic in there. This is the life, guys, eh? Right, now the best bit, let's load her up. We've got salami, meat sausage, salami, meat sausage. You getting the sequence? Salami, what's next? Meat sausage, salami, meat sausage, salami. Oh, look at that, only matches. Look at that, meat sausage. Bit of mushroom. Oh, mouth's watering. Just hope that oven does the business. Nice bit of mushroom, I like mushroom. Bit of onion. Black olives, green olives, chopped tomatoes. Oh, this is going to be magnificent. Nice bit of mozzarella. I might do my outdoor pizza restaurant. Nice bit of grated cheese, mild cheese. Oh, don't it look good? I've had to eat a little bit of mozzarella, couldn't wait. I mean, salami. A little bit of olive oil. Voila! And that is a one pizza rally. Look at that. Ready to go in the oven. So in she goes. Door on. Yeah. Well, I've had a few looks and I think she's done now. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's hot. Whoa. Oh, she smells lovely. It's not bad for my first pizza in that oven. Well, let's try her. I'll give you my first impression. Mmm. Oh, I'll do one of them again. Mmm. Oh, the cheese. And the salami, that's nice. That was well worth it. So, great pizza. I can mess about again with it, put different toppings on, you know, mix and match. That's a good thing about building a pizza. It's quite enjoyable and you can build it to how you like it, the spec you like. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'm going to enjoy this now and see you on the next one. Enjoy the great outdoors.